Audio Jungle.
Good morning, world, from Camiguin Island, southern Philippines. It's November 29th. It's a Tuesday, I believe. And we just had a promise from Provincial that they're going to come down and clean out this king Kaboom, which is badly needed. Provincial has arrived. And your mission impossible for the day is servicing the king Kaboom. And it is a mess. And they brought their brand new truck too. I love these trucks. I've been on ride-alongs in these trucks. Those are nice. Well, they're all kind of puzzled, like, how are we going to get that out of there, huh? You can tell them that normally we borrow a bonka from Tapon village, and you can just push the bonka right over the top.
Magwang tagbangka, ato iduot ni din atong kining Kaboom, iduot paingon dire para dali ra makuha.
Take a couple pictures here. You're pretty good. Like you've done this before. Get out of your way here. I can go down and yell at the fishermen again. I'll go see if I can round up a bonka. I usually pay for it, which I don't mind. Dueling nets here. Well, they're getting that stuff down there pretty good. So. Look at that. Somebody did a big sack of plastic bags and just tossed it in the canal. So. Well, I might have to get down in there and help the boys this time because we're not going to get no damn bonka. Margie's gonna here document my trip down into the abyss.
Careful when you go down. 70 anyos na ba yan na? Kuyugin taon na ninyo. Sige lang, palitan takag tsinelas. May plastic oh. Better? You're better? Feel better?
I'm all clean now. You gonna take me home and have breakfast in your house? No, I'm toxic right now. Well, the driver actually got down and got dirty today, huh? He's used to the driver. Thanks, guys. Well, we had a pretty good crew here. They all need to be trained. You know? We got the truck. Well, we got the garbage picked up. That's a good thing. So thanks, guys. We'll be back. Let me get a picture or two of them.
Audio Jungle.
December 1st, 2022. It's a Thursday. Believe it or not, 48 hours ago, we had this all cleaned out and looking good. Now, we didn't get all the debris released. The current wasn't going right, but look what just piled up just overnight here in the last day. It's already full of bottles and everything.